Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Reaching for your tool and noticing the DeWalt FlexVolt 60V battery is no longer charging can be frustrating, especially when the charger seems connected but nothing changes. In some situations, the battery may stop responding after sitting unused for a while other times the charger light behaves differently than expected. A charging issue like this can sometimes happen because of temperature conditions, battery contact buildup, or the battery needing a quick reset before charging resumes. Before assuming the battery is no longer usable, there are a few simple things worth trying that may help restore normal charging behavior. Let's go through an easy reset process for a DeWalt FlexVolt 60V battery that is not charging. Try these. Step 1. Remove the DeWalt FlexVolt 60V battery from the charger and let it rest for a few minutes. Step 2. Clean the contact points on the DeWalt FlexVolt 60V battery if dust or buildup is visible. Step 3. Allow the DeWalt FlexVolt 60V battery to return to room temperature if it feels unusually warm or cold. Step 4. Place the DeWalt FlexVolt 60V battery back into the charger carefully to refresh the connection. Step 5. Press the battery indicator button on the DeWalt FlexVolt 60V battery to check remaining power status. Step 6. Watch the charging light connected to the DeWalt FlexVolt 60V battery and confirm normal charging begins again.